Hello, my dear student. In the previous class, we have done from the exercise number 9. No, that is your one number. Now we are going to discuss from the question number 2. Everyone can see in the whiteboard. No, that I have written the question. So first of all, you have to observe the question. What is the question is given in the whiteboard? No. Here, what is given here? 648 tourists have to be transported from the airport to the railway station, no, in buses. Suppose this is your airport and then they went to railway station. No, this is railway station and this is your airport. Okay, so how many tourists were there? Here is 648 tourists were there. No, and then how many bus will require? That means now we have to find out. That means how many bus will require to go in the railway station. Okay, so here what we will do here, we have to do solve. Okay, so how we will do solve? How we will solve? You have to observe properly. Okay, so first of all, what we will do at first, we have to write numbers of. You have to write numbers, no, numbers of people, no, numbers of people equal how many numbers are peoples are there given 648. Okay, so now we have to write again that numbers of people, no, numbers of people in one bus. No, that means how many people can sit in one bus? That is your 24 people. No, if 24 people can sit in one bus, then how many bus will be required? No, so you have to write then in one bus how many? 24 people. Okay, so now what you will do, you have to divide it in 648 by 24. Okay, so what you will do now, you have to do that numbers of buses, no, will be required, no, will be required equal 648 divided it by 24. Okay, so now how we will divide it? No, in the corner you can also divide it. No, 648 you have to divide it by 24. Okay, so 24 here is 2 digit, here is you have to also take how many digit? 2 digit. No, so if you multiply 2 times, then it will be 48. Okay, if you take 3 times, then it will be 12, 2, 1 is left, 3, 6 and 7, then it will be 72. So 72 is your more than 64. So what you will do, you have to take 2 times only. 24 is 48. Okay, so if you subtract, no, if you subtract from 14 to 8, then it will be 6, then here will be 1. No, so now you have to down 8. Why you were doing? Because here is 24, so 24 is now greater than 16. No, so you have to down 8 here. Okay, so now how many times you have to multiply it? Just you have to observe at first. Okay, suppose it is 16, 8 7 times. No, 7 4 is 28, 2 is left, 7 2 is 14, 14 15 16. No, 168. That means how many times? 7 times. If you multiply, then it will be 168. That means how many buses will be required? That means 27 buses. No, how many buses will require? 27 buses will be required, no, to reach from airport to railway station. Okay, so now another one, everyone can see, everyone take out to page number 148. No, here you can see 3 number question. No, here is given 3 number question. Try to solve yourself. If you are not able to solve it, then I will do in the next class. Okay, so thank you.